why you've lost patience for everyone lately. It's not just being hormonal. All of a sudden, the little things feel enormous. Someone asks you one more question. Someone talks over you. The dishwasher needs emptying. And internally, you feel yourself snap. Not because the situation is huge, but because your tolerance is so much lower than it used to be. And that can feel frightening when you're normally patient, capable, stable. So what's going on? Midlife changes your stress threshold. When sleep quality drops and nervous system load increases, your brain has less flexibility. And that means less emotional buffer, faster stress responses, snapping, and lower tolerance for interruptions and demands. Your system is already near capacity, so even small additional pressures feel so much bigger than they used to. And of course, most women blame themselves for this. They think they've become angry, difficult, or emotionally unstable. But often, they're simply overloaded. And overload changes how quickly the brain reacts. So what actually helps? What can we start doing about it, and start doing it quick? Number 1, build more recovery into your day. Take short pauses between tasks. Stop trying to fill every spare minute with another little job. And create moments when nobody needs anything from you. Number 2, identify your biggest drains. Notice which people, environments, or tasks deplete you the quickest. Reduce unnecessary exposure where possible, and stop pretending everything affects you equally. It doesn't. Some things are more draining than others. Number 3, reduce decision fatigue. If you haven't heard of that, it's about not having to make decisions in the moment. So try these. Plan your meals ahead. That's a firm favourite of mine. Simplify repetitive choices, i.e. salad for lunch every day you're on site. And try to batch errands or admin tasks together. Your brain is already working harder than it used to, so try to make life easier for it. Number 4, regulate before responding. Well, what do I mean? In other words, try not to be snappy. So try these. Take a pause before you answer when you feel irritated. Just a breath, a beat. That's enough time for your brain to be more rational. And if you're really overwhelmed, try stepping away instead of saying anything at all. And number 5, stop shaming yourself. Think about how you talk to yourself. So replace, "Oh, I sound impossible lately," with, "I'm recognising that my system is overloaded." Recognise the difference between stress and your character. You are not a completely changed person. And give yourself more grace during high pressure periods. You are not becoming an angry, difficult person, and you're certainly not imagining what you're experiencing. Midlife brings real change to your body, your mind, and your nervous system. But understanding those changes is often the first step towards feeling like yourself again. That's exactly why I created Capacity, an 8-week guided program for midlife women who are tired of feeling angry, snappy, foggy, overwhelmed, and disconnected from their usual self. Through practical, science-backed strategies, Capacity helps you rebuild clarity, confidence, and resilience so that you can feel steady, capable, and in control again, at work, at home, and inside yourself. It's currently being beta tested by women who are navigating this transition, so we can make it perfect for you. So there's nothing to buy right now. But if you would like to hear when the program opens again, you're very welcome to join my very gentle waiting list. You will not be bombarded. You will just get some relevant information and that important notification when doors are open for Capacity again. You'll find the link to the waiting list right below where you're watching this video. And if you've enjoyed this video, a thumbs up is always appreciated. Any comments or questions, please leave them down below. And of course, for more like this, please subscribe to the channel. In the meantime, remember you're amazing. Go and find the link to the waiting list, and you have an amazing week.